How to switch Rednote to English. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will be guiding you through on how you can change your language to English in Rednote application. So if you're wondering how you can do that, these are the processes you may follow up and you should be able to switch your language to English in Rednote app. So first of all, go ahead and launch the app on your device and make sure you're logged in, or proceed to the main menu and log in. After that, you can look up for the settings icon. For that, you can go ahead and tap on the Me tab at the bottom right corner of your screen. So when you tap here, you can find your account here, profile here. So you're going to tap on the settings gear icon beside your profile right here. Go ahead and tap on it and you will be taken to this page where you will be finding different kind of settings available. So from here, we're going to go to the second option, which is general settings. Just go ahead and tap on it. And when you tap on it, you can find this languages section, which is under display. Just go ahead and tap on it. And there are 3 languages available: Chinese and English. So you're going to switch up to the English, which is the third, and tap on save. After that, your language should be saved into your Rednote app. So these are the processes you may follow up and you should be able to change your language in your Rednote app or switch up to your English and navigate through the app after that. Therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. And I will see you in the next one.